procrastination. It's like being stuck in a loop, knowing there's something important to do, but struggling to find the motivation to start. You sit there, staring at the task, the doubts creeping in, the fear of failure paralyzing you. But what if there's another way? What if today you could transform procrastination into action, not through force, but by reconnecting with your inner power? Procrastination isn't just laziness. It's a reaction, a defense mechanism. Often, it's fueled by fear. Fear of not being good enough. Fear of making the wrong choice. Or simply feeling too overwhelmed by the sheer size of the task. But here's the truth. When you silence the noise, when you break the overwhelming tasks into smaller, manageable pieces, you begin to take back control. Our actions are guided by our thoughts, and shifting those thoughts is the first step to transformation. Close your eyes, breathe deeply. Let's reconnect with your inner power. Let's replace self-doubt with belief and begin. Say these affirmations aloud or in your mind as we guide you. Every small step I take leads me closer to success. I am capable of accomplishing anything I set my mind to. I release all fears that hold me back from taking action. I am focused, determined, and resilient. I replace procrastination with purpose. I embrace progress over perfection. I trust myself to make the best decisions for my future. I take action with clarity and confidence. I welcome challenges as opportunities to grow. I am in control of my time and energy. I am proud of every step forward, no matter how small. I create a life filled with purpose and joy. I prioritize my well-being and mental clarity. I let go of distractions and focus on what truly matters. I am consistent in my efforts and trust the process. I am deserving of the success that comes from perseverance. I am more powerful than my doubts. I trust my ability to follow through with my plans. I am becoming the best version of myself every day. I take action now, knowing that my future is bright. Action doesn't have to be overwhelming. It starts small. One step, one moment, one decision. The power lies in beginning. Because when you take action, no matter how small, you gain momentum. And momentum is what creates change. Every action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. And with each step, that person, the confident, focused, and purposeful version of you, comes closer into being. Now, visualize your life. See yourself taking action with enthusiasm. Imagine the joy of completing what you once put off. Feel the pride of accomplishing your dreams. Close your eyes. Picture yourself in a moment of pure accomplishment. How does it feel? What emotions flow through you? Think about the journey to get there, the small steps you took, the determination you showed, the obstacles you overcame. You did it. You turned procrastination into progress. You are capable. You are confident. You are unstoppable. Today is the day. You take action with enthusiasm and confidence, and the life you've always dreamed of becomes your reality.